Thanks for everything.
Head Start has impacted me because as a child, I actually was in Head Start, and I've been working in Head Start maybe around 8 years now. So yes, Head Start has impacted me in my personal life as well as my professional life. I think I wouldn't be where I am today without that experience in Head Start, being able to get ahead, living in a single parent household, having that support from Head Start was really impactful for me, and I think that it's impactful for a lot of families that we serve.
So grateful for this program because not only does it help you potty train, but it also helped her develop her talking skills, her alphabets, everything, her numbers. She is doing great. She talks more now. She's very talkative. So that's why I love this program.
So I think Head Start is a very important program, especially for children's life and early development. For example, I have 4 nephews, and I feel like Head Start has impacted their life tremendously, especially in learning stages, because they're like little sponges. They observe everything, and they also get to interact with other children, which is super important.
He has been in Head Start for a little over 2 years now. It's an amazing program that has helped him so much socially, educationally. He comes home excited about doing activities. He's excited about telling me what he did at school. He's learning to share, learning his ABCs. It helps me as well as a parent. I get to work without having to worry about his safety. I know he's safe here. Yeah, I hope that this program continues to help.
I've been a single mom most of my life, so I started my career in Head Start. All 4 out of 5 of my children got to go to school with me. One of my children was diagnosed with the special needs, and it was because of Head Start when we caught it early. She's adjusted well, and I accredit it to Head Start and the early intervention strategies that we've gotten. Professionally, I've stayed in this field since my kids have been there. I love it, what it does to the community. I love being able to help our centers and our family child care providers. My coaches, the impact that they have made is phenomenal. Head Start goes away, it will impact us tremendously. That's my source of income, so it will affect me tremendously. I thank everything that I've been through. You know, I love working for CCRC. I love that I've stayed in the Head Start field for all these years, and I hope that it continues.
I was a single mom when I had my 2 kids. I have no education and I have no job. So when I enrolled to Head Start, CCRC was able to help me with the child care of my kids, my 2 kids. So they're old enough and they have their bachelors and they have good education. I was able to go to college and find a good job.
I'm gonna be honest with you, I have 4 children. If it wasn't for Head Start, I truly believe my children wouldn't be where they're at right now with their education. I feel like it's a real good jump start for them to at least get that boost into where they need to be in the schools in the future.
I know as a working mom myself, childcare is so important. And if we were to have our funding cut, families would have to find alternative childcare, which is how devastating that would be if we were to lose funding.
Just want to give a few words to the program of Head Start. I just want to say thank you for all the wonderful staff. You guys always go above and beyond to answer our questions, our concerns, and always are there for our children as well as the parents. So thank you guys so much. I have enjoyed the program. You guys are amazing. So thank you so much.
So the Head Start program has definitely benefited me. I have been able to go back to school. So I'm hoping, that this continues on for, other parents that are in the same situation that I am.
As a Head Start student myself, I probably would not have had the opportunity to explore education in the way that I have. As holding a master's, right, Head Start was the ability to provide education for me in all skills, right? When my parents didn't have an opportunity, Head Start created one. People need this, it's critical.
Not only as a parent volunteer, but now as a staff and going out there in the community and seeing the mental health disturbances and all the needs that are out there. society has to understand the importance and the impact of Head Start education early on in life. I could assure you, being a parent of 2 young boys that went through Head Start, it's never too late to make a difference in your children's life.